Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's video I'm going to show you how to do Sid the Sloth, my little sloth, and some foils. I hope you enjoy the video. Right, so these are already sculpted acrylics. So if you were going to do these on natural nails, you would use base coat and you dehydrate, prep and base coat before you go on to the design. But because these are on acrylics, I'm just going to go straight ahead and do my design. So I'm going to start with base coat because I'm going to use some foil. I'm using a base coat because it leaves a sticky layer so that you can instantly put the foil over the top. You use a top coat, it doesn't stick to it. Pop that under for a minute, please. Brill. Right, so once that's been in for a minute, I'm going to take the foil, a lint-free pad, and some of the nails gel residue wipe off solution. Wipe over on the foil, just gets rid of like any dirt or anything. And it makes it easier to put it on the nail. Literally just plonked it on. Press it down, pull it off. Press it down, pull it off. Love it. I like when you can see a bit of the colour behind. You could put a full colour behind it, but I don't want to because I'm going to do the sloth on this finger and he's going to stay with this colour behind, just so that the image of him kind of pops a little bit more. So what I'm going to do now is do my little sloth. So I'm going to use FireWood. All my colours are going onto a palette just so it's easy to dip into. Bonsai, Timeless, Azure, some Snow White, Serious Black, and Chatterbox. It's going to be his tongue. Ironic. Let's start. So I'm using the Nails 01 brush. Do all my detail work with this. And I'll be doing this like flash curing in between, so hopefully it doesn't take me too long. And this is already like buffed, but it's not shiny. Otherwise the gel would just run off. Clean off the brush. I'm going to pop that under 10 seconds please. FireWood. I'm going to have one arm, another arm. There'll be arms, legs. Right, pop that under 10 seconds please. Quickly clean off my brush. Reload with Timeless. So it's going to do his face and belly and his claws. His little claws are going to go. Pop that one down. His little claws. Fluffy belly on it, and I can always make this arm bigger because I think I've done it a little bit too small, but it's fine, you can always go in and add more. Pop that under 10 seconds please. While I'm waiting, I'm just going to add the green into my palette as well. So I'm using Cyanide, Midori, Toxic Waste, and then Shamrock. I've got a couple of different types of green. All these will be listed below. Just make sure my brush is nice and pointy and clean every time. Use black with the brown. Little nose. And this is going to be his mouth. I'm going to put his little tongue in there as well. It's just knowing like layers what you're going to do next, where you're going to put it, going back in with that same mix of like the firewood and black. Add a little bit of detail, because you know this is all set, so you know that you can go over this bit. Make him a bit fluffier. So I've just drawn like his second arm in there. Pop that under, 10 seconds again please. And just clean off my brush with the gel residue wipe off solution. Add a little bit of detail onto the branch, just with Serious Black. Clean off my brush. Add a tiny, tiny dot of the pink for like his tongue, because he's gonna have his mouth open. It's like the smallest amount of detail. You could literally do a dot and just say that it's his nose, but I just want that little bit more detail. Going in with the Serious Black. Dot for his nose. Clean off my brush. I'm gonna load with Snow White. I'm gonna do 2 dots. You could use a dotting tool, but I think I feel a bit more comfortable with a brush. Right, pop that under please. Just a quick 10-second blast. Tiny blue eyes. Pop that under 10 seconds please. Tiniest bit of black for his little pupils. Now I'm gonna just add a bit more, just with the random greens that I've got on my palette. Just kind of filling out the empty space. And I'm not cleaning my brush off. I'm literally dipping in and out. So yeah, I've ended up with mixtures of green. Pop him under, and I'm going to pop him under for 30 seconds, and then know all of that's cured then. This one, I'm going to fill it full of leaves. Just do the base colour for him. Back onto this one. Again, just push down on the brush and pull away really quickly. So push down and pull. Load your brush up, push it down, quickly pull it away. Pop them under, we'll just do a quick 10 seconds. So I've loaded my brush up with Bonsai. Draw a little bit of a stalk, or a stem, a branch. I don't know what it's called. It's been a long day. Cleaning off my brush, adding on Serious Black, just for details on the leaves. Just drag through. I'm just keeping the brush really thin, hardly any product on it. Small leaves here. Pop that under, quick 10-second flash. Now with the Urban Graffiti top coat, I'm going to top coat and seal in the designs. So push up towards the cuticle, down the side walls, cap the free edge. And pop them under, 60 seconds please, and then I can start on your thumb. So I'm going to base coat. Again, this design would be really nice on natural nails. They don't need to be long. Pop that under lamp please for 60 seconds. Right, so that's now done. Again, just pop that on, push it down, give it a bit of a rub, pull it off. If there's any places that you wanted to take it off, you could just go in with a dotting tool. You can scratch it off. All right, top coat, seal it in. That is so effective, so easy. Base coat is the way forward. Pop that under, 60 seconds please. With the Neo Nails tea tree, because it's got trees in it. Gonna rehydrate the nails. Now we have my sloth with a bit of greenery and some foil. I think they're really quick, dead effective. I think they're dead funky and I love them. It's my little sloth. Sid the Sloth. He's so cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. And all the products are listed below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.